Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study B Pharmacy 4th semester, updated. Start by organizing your syllabus into weekly goals and prioritize pharmacology, medicinal chemistry, and pharmaceutics. Break study sessions into focused 45 to 60-minute blocks and include short practical revision each day. Review lecture notes with flashcards and practice past questions to strengthen understanding. Balance theory with lab preparation and never skip weekly self-assessments to track progress. Use active learning strategies like summarizing lectures into one page and teaching concepts aloud to a friend. Create flashcards for drug names, doses, contraindications, and mechanisms, and review them with spaced repetition. Solve previous exam papers and time yourself to build speed and accuracy. Integrate diagram drawing for pathways and structure identification to improve recall. Schedule weekly revision sessions and adjust study intensity based on self-assessment results. Treat practicals as priority sessions by previewing procedures and safety protocols beforehand. Practice calculation problems for formulations, dilutions, and assay results to avoid errors during lab work. During experiments, take clear, organized notes and photograph setups when allowed for later review. Post-lab, write concise reports focusing on observations, calculations, and conclusions to reinforce learning. Collaborate with lab partners to compare methods and troubleshoot common procedural mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.